what's up guys, welcome to Splash TV. This is episode 9. In today's segment we're going to be discussing how to make a DIY photo collage right from your home using the materials you already have. So there's no sense of going out buying all that expensive stuff, honey. We already have most of the stuff at home, so I'm going to show y'all exactly what you need to achieve this photo collage. So without further ado, we're going to hop into everything you need to know. First thing you're going to need is the background. This is a glitter table runner. It's a 12 by 48 inch. I purchased this from Five Below. I already had one, but I bought another one just in case if I ran out. They're very great for multi-purposes. Moving on, this medium flat rate box. This is a 8.5 by 11 by 11, I believe. I'll link it in the description. You're obviously going to want to open it up, which I did off camera. I cut it right in half so that it has an even section on both parts. And obviously you're going to need the photo paper. That is to print your pictures off. I got that from Walmart. I'll link that as well. This is the heavy duty duct tape. I got that from Dollar Tree. You're going to have to obviously pick your pictures that you want of your choice. Double-sided tape and Gorilla Glue. Glue sticks. 2 AA batteries, get your LED lights, and last but not least, you're gonna need your glue gun, of course. Okay, so what we're gonna be talking about right now is how I use this duct tape, how I fold the ends. I'm gonna fold the ends obviously and stick it on, make it flat, and then we're gonna attach the photos to them. But the most important thing I forgot to mention, you guys, I'm gonna be using a boa for this. Oh my god, I am gonna outline the perimeters of my photo collage with this. It's gonna be so darling, so cute. It's an extra add-on accessory. Again, you don't have to use it, but it adds a little bit more spunk. I think it's so cute, and I already had it, so it just was kind of off the fly. You're gonna need your glue gun to border it around. It's very easy to stick. However, of course you can't use tape, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you all how to line your cardboard box using this glitter table runner. You're just gonna place it flat just like that. Don't worry about, you wanna make sure you have enough to cover side by side. Up and down doesn't really matter in this instance because we're going to cover that with pictures. So you want to make sure it's about 1/2 inch to 1 inch away from the border. So you still should see a little bit of card box, and that's fine. The main thing here is just making sure that it's completely flat. So this is the one that I've currently used or had already used, but I'm just going to flatten it out just a little bit. Okay, so what I'm doing in this segment here, I'm just simply applying some pressure to the actual runner and the cardboard together so that it presses against to ensure the flatness of it. Glue guns are very great for stuff like this, simple, light, easy weight stuff. Obviously, the more you do or the heavier the object, you're gonna want to upgrade your glue to Gorilla Glue, Mod Podge, or epoxy E6000 glue, something of that sort. But for this simple project, I don't think I will be using a Gorilla Glue. However, you can if need be, but right here I'm just using the simple glue gun, and yeah, we're just gonna keep flattening it down for a couple minutes or so, and then we're gonna move on. So I have this duct tape that I told you all that I got from Dollar Tree. This is the heavy duty kind, and yes honey, they do have heavy duty duct tape at Dollar Tree, so I advise y'all to go hop on that. I'm gonna go ahead and show you all how I'm going to place the pictures on there so that it can adhere to the glitter. I couldn't use double-sided tape obviously to adhere to the glitter and then put the picture because it's not strong enough, so that's why we're needing duct tape. So what you want to do is take a piece of duct tape, cut it off, and roll the ends of it, and then you're gonna flatten it. It was kind of hard for me with the nails that I have on, but I made it work. So that's what you're gonna see me doing in this very segment. So as you see, I have my photos in my hand and I'm ready to go. Put these bad boys on the board, super duper easy. I already have my first piece of tape already rolled up, ready for my picture to stick right on. You can preset the board to where you want your pictures if there's a certain way you want them, but I didn't really know, so I just went on ahead and put my first picture and kind of went off that. What you want to do is press firmly down on the picture with the tape so it can adhere to each other. And once it's on there, I can assure you that it's going nowhere guys, nowhere. So right where the edge of the little piece of tape is sticking out, I'm just gonna simply add another photo at a different angle, and then I'm just gonna work my way down the line. So that's what you're gonna see me do. I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the video so you all can see exactly how I get this look, okay? So simply, again, you're just gonna take a piece of tape, you're gonna roll the ends of it, simply put it on the board where you want your picture, and then you're gonna go all the way down the line, and then you're gonna repeat the same thing on the second row. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and begin on the second row. I'm going to cut a piece of tape and go ahead and start so I can see the placement of my pictures. we are done placing the photos on the board. So this is the fun part, guys. We're going to take the boa that I was telling you about. You can get any type of fur, any type of add-on accessory you would like. I already had this, as I told you before, so we're just going to simply start by taking the edge of the cardboard, or the box rather. There's these little hoops on my boa, so I'm just going to attach the end. I'm going to glue it on with my glue gun, and then we're just going to hook it on and press firmly all the way across. This is the final look, how the boa looks around the photo collage. I love it. So you guys, as you can see, I have the LED lights. I just placed the AA batteries in there. I'm going to simply just wrap it around the boa on both sides. This was purchased from Five Below. I think I told you all. And then you just put two AA batteries, of course. I'm going to start at the ends. I was trying to see how it would kind of just blend in without the actual cord showing, but it's so thin that you could barely see it anyway. So this is a perfect way. These are the warm lights. You can get whatever kind you prefer. You'll see me do that, and I'm going to hang it up on the wall, but I'm going to fast forward just a little bit so you all can see how it looks. guys, this is the final finished look on my wall. I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. You can add more LED lights if you choose. You can add more pictures if you choose, but you can also add a different background. But I am in love. I'm going to go back and trim the edges of it to make a more cleaner look. But yep, this is easy DIY at home with some of the materials you probably already have. If you guys like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel for other DIYs just like these. Also hit that notification bell. And until next time, see you later.